Namaskara. Greetings to all my Senyas employees, Senyas Medical College and Hospital employees. I am Saraswati. I am born in Coorg, Karnataka, under 1960. Then I have studied there only till 2nd PUC. After that I joined Senyas 1981 as a nursing assistant. After that I was working 3 months for daily wages. They have given 6 rupees per month, per day. Then after that they have given me to after 3 months they have given me permanent, not permanent, some daily temporary post till 1 year. After that they have confirmed 82. After confirming I didn't get, they have shown me that is government salary is there, but they have not given the government salary. So we have worked till 89. 88 I married. I got one child also. Before that also I was working night duty and PM duty, all the duties, all the shifts we were working there. After that they have told me to go for mobile duty to give the injection and this thing for the pregnant ladies, then for the child and the children and 89 they post, 90 they have given the promotion as a registration assistant. Then they have put me in the ECG department to do night duty and all the duties. I was doing my duty only. After that, the 85, what was government order, they have withdrawn that case 85. So we have withdraw back government salary and this thing. Then we went to the court. We formed the union. We formed the union.
Labor court.
We formed the union and we went to the labor court. 2004 labor court has ordered to the then we got win in the labor court. Then they have informed to the management to give the salary to all the employees, college and hospital for all the employees, including doctors, nurses, everyone. So they have not bothered for that. They went to the court, High Court. So High Court we got won the case. They have ordered 2012. Still the people are not given the salary. So we went and request to the law advocate of this one, management advocate. He said, anyway you will get, don't worry, this is only the joke. So after that what they have done, they went to the double court, the double bench. There is no, it is not necessary to go to the double bench. So in that our management lawyer and management has pocketed our office bearers, union office bearers and including the legal advisor. So they have not bothered. We went and asked so many times, we requested the legal lawyer. He is telling me a case will come. Don't worry, you will get. If you are not getting also, your grandchildren will get it. You get peace of mind, the requirement. Like that he was telling. So we know that we came to know that it will not helpful for us. So we have formed the second union, including 2 doctors. 2 doctors were they are well educated, and it was ordered for every doctors and nurses and everybody. So we request the doctors, we will form the. I requested the doctors to we will form the union. So we formed the union 2018 October 2018 February. So soon after we formed the union, they have watching us. Then 2018 October they targeted 2 doctors and without anything they have terminated both of them. So after that they terminated me also. Then I was struggled and I have duty. Then I applied for leave because my mother-in-law was not well. So I went to my native place and came back. Then I was started duty 2019 December onwards. Again they started targeting me. While coming for duty I fell down and I had my shoulder fracture and all. In that also I have taken my leave. After that again doctor told me to take the rest. But when I went to the Senyas, management said it seems to the doctors not give leave for her. So applied my EL 3.5 months I applied and took my leave. Then I went for duty. After that I went for the duty. They were keep on troubling me in between duty also. They are calling me, where did you gone? Why you have taken leave? There is no point of taking leave like that, and they targeted. Since I had enough leave, more and enough leave, I applied the leave. So that leave payment also they have not given. I gave the 3.5 month leave I have taken. Then I have sent the information to the nursing superintendent, assistant nursing superintendent, including director and HR department also. I sent the RPDS. Still they have not given my leave. Still they have not given my leave. Then it is in the court, labor commissioner. Case is going on. Now I got retirement. I got only few for the 40 years service. I got only 7,71,000 rupees gratuity. So I am getting only 3,000 or 2,750 payment. That's all after my retirement. So nobody is looking after me because I got one girl child. She is looking for this thing only. I have to beg the children now. One more son also is there. In my future, I didn't get anything in the sannyas. So this is the problem in sannyas we are facing. Hereafter, we should face all the things. So we are in the court. Kindly, all of the employees look at this, support us, and we will win the case. Management have no heart because to give the people. Without any information, they terminated the doctor also. They have not got even a single paisa also. Thank you for everybody. Help us to win the case also.